Remember, English is not just for perfection. It is a language, so it is only for confidence. It is all about confidence. When you can speak confidently without hesitating in front of people, then you are in the correct path that you can do something new in the life. So, hi, this is Harshita, and this is day 3 of English speaking series. And today's topic is all about conversation with a child, with my sister, and she is a beginner, or she's new to she's novice here. She will actually, she's not knowing about English, but she will try her best, and I hope that you will support her and you will encourage her in the comment box. I will see in the comments. So yeah, let's just start the video without wasting our time, because our time is very precious and we have to speak English in less time. So yes, let's just start. So here she is. She is only 12 years old girl, and you are not going to judge her because she is starting for the first time. And if somebody will discourage her, how will she go further and she will start speaking, she will start new things. So yes, let's just talk to her and let's just welcome her with a round of applause. So yes, hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to my series.
Hi, thank you so much for taking me in here.
Okay, thank you so much for taking me here. Okay, or you can say this: thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, so how are you today?
I am good.
Uh, how is the weather today?
The weather is good.
Okay, now wait a minute. Are you nervous today?
Yeah, a little bit.
So you should be. I think everyone gets nervous for the first time if somebody starts something new in the life. So everyone gets nervous. So it is a normal thing. And the rule of this video is that you will not hesitate. You will speak confidently. If you don't know, you will ask me. I'll answer you everything. So yes, now introduce yourself.
Okay, so I am Soumya Bharati and I am from Bihar. I am 12 years old and my father is a businessman and my mother is a housemaker. So my hobby is dancing, singing and reading storybooks.
My hobbies are
My hobbies are dancing, singing and reading books. And my passionates are
I am passionate about
I am passionate about
what?
I am passionate about
What do you want to do in life? Like, I am passionate about my content creation. So what do you want, and what is your passion?
my passion is dancing.
Okay. In which class you are studying?
I am in class 7.
Okay. So how's your studies? I mean, how's your school going?
Nice.
No, you have to. If I'm asking you question yes or no, in yes or no, then you will only say yes or no or nice or something. If I am asking you question in sentences, in a proper sentence, so you have to answer me in a proper sentence that yes, my school is going great. Okay.
Okay.
So how's your school going?
My school is going great.
My school is going great.
My school is going great.
You need some knowledge about tenses, grammar. Grammar is very important. Now you can know from today's video that how much grammar is important, how much vocabs are important, because she's lacking of grammar and she's lacking of tenses. She's lacking of grammar only. Grammar is the soul of the whole point. Matlab, I mean, if I'm talking about English, so you have to speak. If you want to speak fluently, then you have to do this. So I'll ask her some questions. It will not take some much time because this is only a conversational video. So yes, let's start. I've just prepared something in mobile, and yes, let's just start. So yeah, some school talks is mandatory because she's a school going girl, so it is mandatory. So yeah, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science and maths.
Okay. How much you give your, how much time you give your, how much time you give to your studies?
2 to 3 hours.
Only throughout the day?
No, if I go to school or tuition, so in school I have 5 hours, and in tuition 2 hours, to 5 to 7, and in home 2 hours. So total is 9 hours.
Yeah, that's pretty much. But if you are practicing maths, so it needs some time. So I think you should give some more time to maths, because maths is the subject where practice is important. Practicing is everything. So yes. Okay. So do you have any best friend or friend circle?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me about your friends and tell me about your school. Not in detail, in just 2 to 3 sentences, in a brief sentence.
My school name is Vivekananda Residential School. It is in Bihar, and my school is a very popular school in Bihar. And first year, which my school gets affiliated to CBSE, and I am in CBSE board.
Oh,
Also.
that's a very good thing. I actually, this is a good thing. So yeah. So some fun questions I want to ask you. Okay.
Okay.
What would you like to do in your leisure time or free time?
I like reading storybooks and dancing.
Okay. You love dancing. You're mentioning that you love dancing. How?
Yeah.
Which type of dance you do? Casual dance or
Western dance.
Okay, nice, nice, very good, very good. Now, what do you prefer to watch in TV or mobile? Or in mobile?
Mobile.
What do you prefer
Oh.
to watch in phone or in TV?
TMKOC.
What is this?
Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
It's a very nostalgic thing for all of us. If you watch this, subscribe now and please comment that yes, I am the fan of TMKOC. So yeah. Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food. Junk food or homemade food?
Okay. You can say any.
In junk food, my favorite food is pizza, and in homemade food, my favorite food is dal, rice and pulses.
And some green vegetables. Do you like green vegetables?
Yeah, I like.
You like a little bit,
Yeah.
but you should eat green vegetables because it is very important for your eyes, for your health, for your body, because it needs a lot. Okay, so very interesting girl is sitting in front of me, and yes, she has a good communication skills, but she has less English communication skills, but she will improve later on. She will improve day by day. I'll try to motivate her. Okay, Now tell me, why do you want to speak English? Why do you want to learn English?
Because if I go to somewhere or in school, so by maybe if a great man comes in our school, so if I know English, so firstly,
You can welcome him or her.
yeah, I can welcome him. If I don't know English, so I can't welcome him. But I do know English, so I welcome him, and I'll talk in English. So you can
He will get impressed from
yes,
you,
yes,
I think. So yeah, great thing I know from you. And I think everyone should speak English for herself or himself only, because like Hindi, we are aware of Hindi, right?
yeah,
We know Hindi because it is our mother tongue and mother language. So yes, it is very very important that and it is very important to adapt nowadays for interviews, for schools, for uh, anything. I mean, in schools we need English nowadays, and if you are in a good school with a good English speaking environment, so it needs a lot. Oh, that's amazing. Practice every day and you will improve. I'm very sure. And you will, you can welcome your guest in the school in a very warm way. Definitely. So, yes. Now, did you enjoy speaking English?
yeah.
Did,
Yes, I am enjoying speaking English.
very good. Okay, so did did you feel today that you don't know English in this video, from this video?
No, I know English, but if she can say, I can understand, but I can't speak.
Okay, you have the problem of you can speak English but you can't, sorry, you can understand English but you can't speak it, right?
Yes.
So you should practice daily. You should give time to English, because in your stage, in your time, you should start speaking now. Then you will come to know about everything about English, and you will know that how English is important nowadays. Okay.
Okay.
Now say goodbye to everyone out there, and thank you so much
For watching this video, and do subscribe her channel.
yes, subscribe now. And yes, I hope you inspired from her, that how eager she is about English, and you should definitely know. Yeah, thank you so much for watching it. We loved to hear from you that how much did you like this video. If I have done something wrong, if I spoke something wrong in this video, please comment in the video that you are wrong in this way, and I'll definitely, while editing, I'll try to find out what I have said wrong. Okay, so bye bye, thank you so much. Subscribe kar lena. Bye bye.